Hey guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be we're going to be doing a Sabrina Carpenter Tears music video makeup recreation. So in her video, she has this look, which is kind of like a old school inspired makeup look, and it was done by C. Gonzalez Beauty, and I just love this look so much. It's just so like shimmery and bronzy and beautiful. So I was like, let's recreate this look because I love it so much. So if you guys want to see my recreation of this beautiful look here, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is, I have a series called Recreate With Me, and this is episode 9 of that series. So if you guys want to see my other Recreate With Me videos, that will be linked down below. It'll also be linked in the eye right here. It's a little hot in my room, so I'm kind of sweating my edges out. So first things first, I already did my eyebrows off camera. We're just going to prime our eyes with the multitasker concealer, or any concealer that you use to prime your eyes with. I'm just going to take some pressed powder and go over that concealer with a big fluffy brush. So first we're going to take the Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette from Becca Cosmetics, and we're going to take Granite on a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to put that all over the crease. Also going to blend it out on the outer corner a little bit. So instead of using eyeliner for this look, we're going to be using black eyeshadow. So we're just going to take whatever black eyeshadow you're going to use, whatever black eyeshadow that you have. Today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I'm just going to take that black, and I'm using a M213 brush, and you're basically just going to do a wing eyeliner with that. And then on this small blending brush, we're just going to take that and blend that out a little bit. And now we're going to switch over to the Lorac Gold palette. It has all these beautiful shimmer shades in it. And I was like, what better palette to use than this one? Because I remember, I haven't used this palette in so long, but I remember it being so like nice and goldy and vibrant. So first we're just going to take Unleashed, and we're going to put that on the outer corner of our eye and blend it up into the brow. I'm going to take Unpredictable, which is like a peach shimmer shade, and put that in the middle, all blending it up into the eyebrow. I'm going to take Unleashed again and put that in the inner part of our eye. And then we're going to take Unlocked, and we're going to put that in the inner corner of our eye. And this is like a later champagne shade. We're going to take Unlocked, and we're just going to go under our brow. Now with the Volcano Goddess from Becca Cosmetics, we're going to take Diamond Dust and just put that on the inner corner of our eye. Now with some black eyeshadow, we're just going to go over that wing liner. Can you guys see that? I hope you can see it pretty good on camera. I hope you guys can see the eyes because they look very nice and like shimmery. So now I'm just doing this so the light can hit it. Okay, so now we're going to move on to foundation and all that good stuff. First, we're going to take the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer. We're just going to put it on our cheeks and on our nose. And for foundation, we're going to use the Ben Nye Cream Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar. And for under my eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. Okay, and for cream bronzing, we're going to take this ABH cream contour, this ABH stick foundation in the shade Espresso. I don't know why I was just lying. Now I'm going to blend out my under eye. Now on a powder puff, we're just going to take some of that pressed powder and set where I put the concealer, so under my eyes, on my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And for cream blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place blush in the shade Rosy Posy. I just put it a little bit lower than where I would normally put blush, because that's kind of where Sabrina's is. And then for highlighter, we're going to take that Skin Illuminating Drops again. Powder blush, we're going to take the Sleek blush palette in the shade Pink Lemonade. We're just going to mix together the two powder shades. Now for bronzer, we're going to take the CoverGirl pressed powder in the shade Dark Ebony. And now for under the eyes, this is going to be the hardest part for me. I'm going to try to tightline my eyes with white. So I'm going to take, I don't have a white eyeliner, so I'm just going to take this Athena painting palette. Okay. I did it. I'm pretty proud of myself. It's a lot on my lashes, but we're going to fix that. Now we're going to take that black Makeup Revolution palette and put that under my eye. I'm going to create kind of like a double liner. You see how I took the bottom eyeshadow and just flared it out into a double liner. Perfect. Okay. I want my inner corner to be more white. So I'm going to take NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and I'm going to take the white from that palette. So any white eyeshadow that you have, I'm just going to take that and put that in my inner corner. When I do my lashes, I'm going to do bottom lashes because she has her bottom lashes done. Sabrina has her bottom lashes done, so I'm going to do my bottom lashes. For lip liner, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution lip liner in the shade Velvet Kiss. Okay guys, so I just went off camera and put on a lash. I finished my other eye. It was a little bit more difficult to do my waterline. I don't know why. I'm just not good at doing waterlines. But this is the finished Sabrina Carpenter Tears music video makeup recreation. I love it so much. I just love how sparkly and stuff the eyeshadow is, and I love the lower lash line. I feel like it really adds to the look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It's also down in the description box down below. If you want to watch another recreate with me video, that'll be linked down below as well. I like these videos. I think they're pretty cool because you can see your favorite celebrities, how they created the look. Obviously it's not 100% because I'm not the makeup artist that did their makeup, but it's still fun to just see a regular person do the makeup and just recreate it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.